Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to have a look at making a ratchet strap. Some people call it a Bushcraft ratchet strap or a Woodsmans ratchet strap. It's a ratchet mechanism for making things easier to pack and easier to carry. Let's go make it happen. Now, I first learned this system about 20 years ago, I guess. I was out in the woods with my Uncle Joe, and we were collecting hazel sticks to make walking sticks from, and we were collecting quite a few and we needed to bundle them up. So Joe taught me how to do this ratchet system. In the field, this ratchet system is exceptionally useful. I've used it for blankets and tarps and bedrolls and sleeping mats. I've used it to repair or in place of the compression straps on my sleeping bags and other down gear when I've been away on expeditions. I've used it for all kinds of things. So let's take a look and see how it works. Now, all you need to make this work is a length of string long enough to wrap around the item that you're going to bundle with a bit of spare left over. I'm using paracord and a piece of stick or twig and a penknife or multi-tool. The first thing you need to do to get your kit ready is to find yourself a piece of stick, a little piece of twig, ideally kind of 2 inches, 5-6 centimeters long. This is a bit ambitious. And then you need to make a hole right through the center. To do that, use your penknife. I use a Swiss Army tool with an awl, and then drill the hole through the center, or use any other tool that you might happen to have in your backpack. Like a drill, because obviously I always carry one in my backpack when I'm out hiking. Maybe. The next thing you need to do is tie a loop in one end of the cordage. The loop needs to be large enough for the toggle to pass through. Use whatever knot you know how to tie, okay? I'm just going to use a bowline. Now, I use this type of ratchet system quite a lot, so I usually have a couple of ready-made toggles in the top flap of my pack, all ready to go. Takes no time at all. Pass the other end of your cordage through the center of the toggle. Just let it go. I'm going to finish mine with a simple figure-of-8 stock knot. Now comes the moment you've all been waiting for, looking at how to ratchet. So, pass your cordage around the bundle, loop on the top, put your toggle through the loop, but not both parts of the rope. So if you can see there, I've got the toggle, the loops around both parts of the rope there, but they're coming back through. Pull on the tag end, the loose end if you like, and then just start to ratchet through. And that's now nice and tight, and it isn't going anywhere. To loosen it off, all you do is turn the toggle, push it back through the rope, and you're free. Job done. So that's it, a simple to learn, simple to do, and ridiculously effective way of making things easier to pack and easier to carry. And if you've got kids at home, get them outdoors and teach them this technique. I'm going to dash. It's about to rain again. I live in Wales. It's inevitable. Thanks for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Be good, be brilliant, be awesome. And remember, if I can help you in any way, get in touch. Let's have a conversation and make good stuff happen. See ya.